Okay, vlogging. We are finally at camp. Look at our cool lodge. We got like a refrigerator and a whole kitchen, the stairs. This is our official band room. And then we're gonna see a frisbee. We're in the bathroom. Ben was going to the bathroom. Look at our sweet frisbee.
Kind of a big deal.
We're gonna play with it later.
Yes.
In the dark.
In the dark.
In the dark.
And in the light, but mostly in the dark.
It lights up. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty faboo. Really nice cabin and out here in the delicious wilderness. It's gonna be awesome. I'm just really excited.
Okay, go. Oh! Now throw it to Lonnie as you come back. Lonnie! Oh, what's gonna happen is BJ is gonna throw it to Lonnie, and then as BJ is coming back, Lonnie's gonna throw it back to BJ. All within 20 seconds.
And this is the first try, so I don't know.
First try.
First try. Do it.
Wait till he's coming back. Oh!
Yes! Oh yeah!
That is not dancing, that was lame.
Hey, do you guys want to be in the band? Oh yeah! Grace, dance! So, this is going on Facebook. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Nate, get down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, hold it, get me.
Nice.